Welcome to the Brain Booster Trivia Kit. In this short video, we will explain how this activity works. Make sure you check the What's Included list on the top of the bin prior to the start of the activity. Let's begin. All right, guys. So for this activity, you're going to get a whiteboard. Very good, very nice, I love. And you're going to put on different categories that are appropriate for camp and give them point values, okay? So you can do this with a whole group, or you can do it split into two. For this example, I'm going to give you two groups. So say group one is like, hey, I want animals for 3, right? So you could ask group one. You could use your back pocket games, or you could use what comes in your kits. Right now, I'm going to use the back pocket games. So group one says, I want animals for 3. You say, okay, who's the largest member of the cat family? If group one says tigers, then you erase the 3 spot and write group 1. Maybe, hello. There we go. I can't write sideways, guys. Now say, I don't know, group 2 says that they want animals for 1. You can say, okay, what's the largest land-living mammal in the world? And say they say, I don't know, a cat. And then you're like, that's not right. Group 1 can go steal it, and if they say elephant, you put group 1 down. But say group 2 got it right, you'd put down group 2. And at the very end, you can count up their points and see which group wins. But that is how you do trivia.